Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery haul. I got some things from Amazon and I want to share them with you. How y'all, everybody doing? Hope y'all doing well already in the new year. What we in 7 days in, and hope everybody doing great. Making content, making getting new subscribers, making friends, just enjoying life, living life to the fullest, embracing it. And today, I just want to share my little groceries. I'm gonna share some things that's gonna happen Friday. Today is what, Wednesday? So I'm doing the grocery thing for Wednesday, and I'm also gonna be sharing a video on my crafting channel. Might have a surprise garden video too. I need to do something on my clothing channel, and I have this other channel, food channel. I need to get busy on those. So basically 5 channels. But anyway, this is the main channel, this grocery channel. But today we're having for dinner chili beans, some cooked seasoned chicken breasts, and that's what we're having today. And it might even be, yeah, a chicken burrito. Well, burrito. I could say a burrito, but because we have some burrito shells, and I got the chili beans, and I got the cooked seasoned chicken. Okay, and then Thursday, which is tomorrow, will be leftovers because it's gonna be quite a bit of today's food left over for tomorrow. Then Friday, my plans is for us to have French burgers and fries. So hence I got the gallon of Crisco pure vegetable oil. Ain't nothing like some Crisco oil, huh? Especially if you baking with those biscuits and you put that Crisco shortening. Ah, Lord. Careful, don't eat it all the time, but every once in a while you can indulge. You just gotta stay focused and don't overindulge. Shoot. So there's the Crisco. Love some Crisco because most oils don't do nothing but burn, and the crumbs from frying this turn all burn up, be in your pot. You can't save that oil, so it's best, folks, to get good oil. Peanut oil is good, and I just like this Crisco oil, but the off-brand oils, they don't work as well because, like I say, the oil gets burnt, but the good oil, it's better with the good oil. Name brand oil, should I say. And also for the burgers Friday, I got this Kraft Deluxe White Cheddar cheese, 24 slices in here. Look at that burger on there. Our burger probably look a little juicier, but that burger don't look bad. I got some pickles in the refrigerator, so I already have pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, and let me show you the man, that oil is heavy. Here are the burgers. Amazon, what I told y'all. Amazon got everything. Amazon ground beef burgers. How much was these burgers? $10, $11, $9 something. So it's 8 burgers, 8 quarter pound patties in here, and it's 85 lean, 50% fat, little fat. So here are the burgers that I'm gonna be cooking on Friday. Amazon burgers, and the bread is Nature's Own perfectly crafted hamburger buns. So, and what else I got here? I got some shredded lettuce I can use in the burgers, and also I got this right here for my juicy salads. I already got my avocado, my tomatoes, my cucumber and stuff, and my secret ingredient I put in my salads so I can enjoy them to the most. So I got the 365 organic triple wash romaine lettuce. Even though I do rinse this and spin it in the salad spinner. Great kitchen tool, that salad spinner, if you don't know. Better ask somebody. You know, after you wash your lettuce, you put it in there and spin all that excess water off, because you don't want that wet lettuce slopping up your doggone salad. Especially when you make a salad, you don't want to keep that seeded wet meat of the tomato. You want to remove that and just use the dry part of the tomato. Yeah, because the wet, juicy center of the tomato can really, wet your salad up. Even though you're going to wet it with that salad dressing, that's what you want, not the sloppiness of the tomato center. Gotta garden, save the seeds. And I also got some, excuse me, some, things are falling. Also got some cilantro. I like cilantro. Some people say they don't like it, but I like the taste of cilantro. It tastes like, what I say it tastes like? Lemon. It got a lemon flavor, bitter lemon flavor, and it really it's delicious. And in the powder form, it's called I think it's cumin. Is it cumin? Cilantro, cumin. I may have it mixed up right now. It's early, y'all. It's early. And I got some okra. What else did I get? I did get my water. That was from Sam's Club. I didn't show y'all that, but I do got a water. I got a case of diced pepper and tomatoes. And what else did I get? I got a few things while I'm looking down on the floor. Took my focus away from the food. And that's what happened right as my hand was falling. But yeah, so here is my grocery haul for Wednesday, January, January 7th, 2026. So, mostly we just get, I need stuff to make my salad. So that'll be quite often. I got to get lettuce. And my tomatoes aren't growing, so I have to purchase tomatoes. I got little cherry tomatoes out there, but I want the bigger tomato. And we might need a little oil and stuff. So I don't have that big stock of cooking oil like I used to, because that's back in the day. That cooking oil, what was it? The 58 ounce, I think, was $2.49. I used to get it from Walmart. Now y'all know all that stuff, $4, $5, $6. But this is the grocery haul for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And let me get back to prepping my meal. I got to dice my little chicken up. And yeah, I know you could buy chicken already diced, sliced, in all kind of ways, but I do it myself. Save money, get the breast on sale, and then I just grind it or chop it, dice it, whatever. But okay, y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah.